Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle, in the edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, still Thursday, June the 15th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles. Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 4 stars. Two puzzles remain. Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. But you are interested in this one. Yes, it's the binary puzzle number 659999. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, oh, 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And between 2 1s comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Completed in 3 minutes. Well. We solved it again, without comparing. And I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Tectonic with 4 stars. Yeah, this one should be a hard one because it has 8 printed digits. Alright, see you later. Bye bye for now.